Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for April 30th to May 12th. April 30th to May 4th. A trough is forecast here in the west. You also have a trough here in the beginning of the period, ridge in between. We also have a ridge here over the North Atlantic. But then gradually this pattern changes to a zonal flow with a trough in the west, ridge across the east central states, and we'll show you this. We're going to get to the 4th, and this is what the flow looks like as we get there to the end of the period. This is our change that's finally arrive. And then we take a look at the rest of the models. They're in general agreement. Rain and storms are forecast for the west central states. Several waves moving along a boundary will result in heavy rain from the plains to the Great Lakes. Temperatures will be above normal across the northern plains, upper Mississippi Valley, and then this warmth will gradually spread into Mississippi Valley, the Ohio valleys, and the Mid-Atlantic. That's as this ridge builds eastward, and we get to more of a zone of flow, and below normal temperatures will be experienced in the southwest. Temperatures will be above normal in the northwest and the northern Rockies. May 3rd to the 7th. Here we are at the 5th. We're seeing a split flow here across the western states. Here's the zonal flow. Here's the southern stream. We have a trough here, ridge, and above normal heights across the east central states. And then we go to the 7th. The pattern doesn't change very much. And we take a look at the rest of the models. They're in good agreement. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures for much of the nation, with anomalies of 4 degrees above normal for precipitation. Calling for above normal precipitation for the west coast states and northern Rockies, for the southeast and the mid-Atlantic. Probability of occurrence is 45%, and we have above normal precipitation forecast for this region here. Probability of occurrence is 45%. May 8th to the 12th. Now, most of the models maintain above normal heights across much of the nation. And we come to the 12th. You see here, this is GFS ensembles. But then, as we look to the other model, this model is the NAEFS has a little bit of a trough here. I think this is out of sync because as we take a look at what's going on over in Asia, we have a ridge here. This favors a ridge in the eastern U.S. We have a ridge across northeastern Asia. This favors a ridge in the east. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures from the plains to the Pacific coast, with anomalies of 4 to 8 degrees above normal and near normal temperatures elsewhere. For precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for the western states. Probability of occurrence is 45%, and I'm forecasting above normal precipitation for this region here. Probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. That's the long-range weather forecast discussion for April 30th to May 12th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.